Now, ang pinaka-importante dito or the foundation of of this sheet really is the if function. Now, ano ba yung if function? Let's type that in para makita natin. So I am on E3. I'll type in equal sign if. So our if function, the description there is it will check whether a condition is met. So yung condition or basically tests that you are going to do, it's still going to check if it is true or false. So dalawa lang na siya palagi. Okay? Yan. So let me press escape na lang muna. Basahin natin yung condition natin dito to right. So it says there, if the quota, meaning this quota, is equal to or higher than the target quota, okay, then the person is eligible for bonus. Yun ang ilalabas natin if that test is true. If indeed the quota is equal to or higher than the target quota. Okay? So dito natin siya inalagay. Equal sign, if. Then again, every function that you have, open parentheses, mamaya na natin i-close. Now, the test that we are doing, basahin ulit natin yung condition. Quota, yan, equal to or greater than or higher than the target quota. Okay? And this is exactly from the condition. Again, if the quota is equal to or higher than the target quota. Okay? Now, if that is true, comma, equal sign. So, lalagay natin or lalabas dapat eligible for bonus. And since we have a true, kailangan maglagay din tayo nung false niya, yung opposite. Excuse me, comma, not eligible. Okay, close. Okay, so take a look at this. So we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it too. Can you guys tell me ano yung difference dito dun sa correction? And you must have seen that on your screens as well. Kung ano yung lumabas na correction versus what we typed in initially.
Yun sir, I think siguro mas yung nababasa niya doon sa tinype natin na if C3 is equal or greater than B3 is parang parang yung ginawa nating formula is parang si C3 is equal or greater than tama ba? Dun sa B3 parang
Right? Hindi,
or I
tama
think
naman.
baligtad, I think baligtad kasi parang yung equal kasi 'di ba sa Excel is meron siyang parang value or something
Mm-mm.
kung sa tama.
How about yung ano? How about yung lumabas dun sa message box, dun sa error basically.
Dun sa error box, actually, andun na yung answer kung titignan natin, no? Yung correct,
Correct.
parang sequence niya.
Mm-mm. Okay. Sige. Actually, thank you, Jenna. I appreciate that. So, again, if you look at it very closely, dun sa tinype natin, ang ginawa natin kasi is C3 equal to greater than. Dun sa correction, nakalagay greater than equal to B3. So, anong difference nila? Actually, there's not a whole lot of difference. It's just that yung pagkakasunod-sunod nung operator, meaning the equal sign and the greater than sign. Dun sa correction, greater than and equal sign. For how I understand this as well, this is more of a excuse me, excuse me, this is more of a machine limitation, meaning when we start kasi with an equal sign, it somehow recognizes it as a start of another function. So, di ba sabi natin kanina, if you are going to use an embedded function or any function for that matter, isang equal sign lang. Tapos, if you are going to do an embedded, yung meaning of function within it, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-equal sign ulit. So, what it's recognizing right now, since we started with an equal sign, is ganun nga. Parang, oh, ba't nagsastart ka naman ng formula? So, kaya ganun yung correction natin. I wanted to show you this because I'm gonna show you a different way or approach naman to see this faster. So, we are going to accept the correction. We're gonna click yes. Okay? This time, so yeah, no? ang lumabas sa kanya, eligible for bonus. Let me explain this na lang muna. So, lumabas sa kanya, eligible for bonus. Meaning, the quota is indeed either greater than or equal to the target quota. Kaya siya nag-eligible for bonus. Now, we can simply click and drag this down, but I wanted to show you kung paano ulit yung kanina if we are going to take the insert function approach. So, everybody go to E4, and then doon sa tabi ng formula bar, insert function. And then we are gonna choose if. Kung wala kayong if dito, you simply have to type that in here. If, click go, then click on OK. Okay. So ano ba yung test natin? Ulitin lang natin. If the quota is equal to or higher than. If the quota is equal to or higher than the target quota. Take a look ha. C4 equal to greater than B4. So pareho nung tinype natin kanina. If I go to value if true, lalabas kagad yung invalid. Okay? So again, bakit siya invalid? Kasi nga, inuna natin yung equal sign. So pagbalik rin lang natin siya, there. So lumalabas na kagad, no? True. Ibig sabihin, C4 is indeed greater than or equal to B4, which is 10. Now, another thing, no, I didn't mention this earlier. Yung B4, you can actually replace that with a number. 10. Hindi naman kailangan palaging B4 yung ilalagay natin. It's just that we did that so that you know that you can select a cell to do this as well. Pwede yung i-manually type na number yung nakalagay dito sa B4. So again, value if true is eligible for bonus. Another advantage again for whenever you use the insert function or the function arguments box is when you type something in here, automatic niyang lalagyan ng double quote. Compared to when we are typing everything manually, you have to do that. You have to put in your double quotes there. Okay? Yan. Not eligible. And then click on OK. So quota ba is greater than or equal to target? Yes. If it's positive or true, eligible, eligible, and then lastly, not eligible for bonus. Okay? So again, this is the foundation. This is the base. We need to have a very good understanding of the if function kasi the rest, the or, the and the not are embedded functions, meaning sa loob siya ng if function. So with that, again, do you guys have clarification? Is everything clear? If we are ready to go to the or function, give me a thumbs up, please. All right, perfect. Thank you, guys. Let's do this. Let's go to the or function naman. So, basahin muna natin condition. If the quota, less than the target is less than the target, or if the employee is not yet regular, then yung true natin, kung totoo man yung sinabi niya, then the person is not eligible for the bonus. I'll try natin. If muna tayo. If, open. So yung logical test natin is going to be the OR function. So the OR function, or, yan, checks whether any of the arguments are true. Any. So meaning, you can put 10 tests in here. Okay? Yung 10 tests na yon, basta isa lang ang mag-positive or maging true, yung statement mo will be true na. Okay? Yan. Open. So, ulit. If the quota is less than the target. So that's the first logical test. Okay? Or, kama na tayo, if this says no. Now, ito naman, baliktad naman yung ginawa natin. We are now typing it in compared to using a cell. So, pwede ka naman mag-click ng cell dyan. You just have to lock it. For now, again, for the purposes of this exercise, we are just going to type that in. Okay? Ulit, quota less than the target, or if yung regular says no. Okay? Yun lang. Yun yung sa or function natin, logical test 1 and logical test 2. As long as may tumama dyan or maging true, your statement for the if function. Yan. So the entire or function here is your logical test. So kapag nag-true na dyan, not eligible, comma, eligible for bonus. Okay? So you can see, yung or function natin, merong open, merong close. Yung if natin, ito yung open niya. Ngayon pa lang tayo mag-close. Enter. So bagsak ba yung quota? No ba yung regular? Hindi naman. So kaya yung eligible yung lumalabas. The false. Okay? This one, so hindi naman siya less than, pero yung regular niya says no. Ibig sabihin, mayroon tayong isang true. So yung true natin, not eligible. So dapat not eligible din yung lalabas dyan. Dito, hindi naman siya less. Okay? Pero ano siya, regular din. Okay? Hindi naman less. Hindi naman no. So eligible dapat lalabas. Ito, pareho niyang tinamaan. Less na nga yung quota, no pa yung regular. So not eligible siya. Okay? Yeah, so that is our OR function. Again, questions here or clarifications?
Sir Mari,
Mhm.
na meron dito parang kunyari nakalimutan ko lagyan ng if muna equals or. Ano naman pong difference nun?
Sorry ulit. Kapag nakalimutan mong mag,
'Di ba po yung formula na sabi nyo equals if, tapos
ah,
open, tapos or?
mm.
Paano po kung nakalimutan yung equals if? Parang equals or agad. Ano po yung difference nun?
Pag equals or lang, o try natin. Ito, lagay natin to dito. Because I haven't tried this. Equals or lang. Uh, this one is less than target, comma. This one is, oops. This one is no. Yan, true. So, wala kasi tayong in-indicate or naka-indicate or command rather what to display if ever maging true nga siya. So, lalabas lang, ganyan, diretso, if it is either true or false lang. So, try natin. Then, yan. So, true or false lang. So, there's no option to change kung ano yung lalabas na kung true man siya or false. Pag or lang, literal, true or false lang yung lalabas sa kanya.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good question. Thank you. Okay. So I guess to simplify it a little bit further, yung if natin will help you identify kung ano yung gusto mong palabasin if ever true nga siya or false. Yan. Okay? Great. Thank you. So ulitin ko lang yung concept ha. If you do a test, tapos true or false lang yung madi-display. Dito sa or, when you do the test, if you put 10 tests there, isa lang yung kailangan mag-true to have a true statement. Okay? Dito naman sa end, okay? Sa end function, if you put 10 tests in here, kailangan yung 10 na test na ilalagay natin, lahat yon mag-true before you have a true statement. Okay? So basically, this is at least one to be true for the statement to be true. Dito, it's all or not. Okay? All or negative siya. All or false. Yan. So let's try. It says here, if the quota is greater than the target and the employee is regular. Okay? If quota is greater than the target, comma, regular, says yes. So kailangan dalawa siya. Lagpas quota and yes. Sorry, I forgot to put the end function. Masyado tayo na-excite. If end, okay, close, comma, eligible for bonus, not eligible. Close. Enter. Oops. Wrong spelling pa. Okay? Click drag down. So, just very quickly, anybody, bakit itong tatlo not eligible na? Jasmine, Jen, and Jing? Any ideas?
Yung ano sir, yung kay Paul McCartney kasi po, kasi yung condition nyo po dapat dalawa kasi end function. So dapat target quota at saka regular pumasa sa according sa condition. Yung kay Paul McCartney, hindi pumasa yung regular kasi no. Kasi po
Correct.
sa formula nyo po dapat yes. Tapos yung kay George Harrison naman po, parang ang hindi ata pumasa sa kanya yung target quota ata sir.
Okay. Actually, pareho.
Pareho
Pareho
po.
niyang hindi
Opo.
tinamaan kasi hindi na nga lagpas. So, basically, negative.
Opo.
Diba? Less than na nga siya, no pa. Ayan o.
No
Less than
po.
na nga, no pa. So, wala talaga siyang tinamaan doon. Yeah. Great. Thank you, Jasmine. Yan. So, that is why not eligible na yung tatlo kasi dalawa silang dapat tumama. Yan. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. So, cool. Jen and Jing, are you good? Before we go to the not function. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. All right. Dito tayo sa last. So, kalimutan niyo muna yung condition dito, no? Kasi I made it talagang ano, well, not necessarily on purpose, pero nakakalito siya. So, I'll change it a little bit. So, we are going to, let's make changes na lang here. If the person is not regular, the person is not eligible kasi nilagay natin sa condition. So, apple, banana, orange. Type this in. Okay, apple, banana, and orange. Okay? So, ito ang gagawin natin. If this, ay sorry, nakalimutan natin maglagay ng not. Not. Yan. So, if it is not a yes. Okay? So, basta hindi yes yung nakalagay, okay, yan yung test natin, ha? If hindi yes yung nakalagay, eligible for bonus. Eligible for bonus. not eligible. Close. Enter. Yan. Okay? So, kaya siya nakakalito, no? Baliktad. Take a look at this. So, if not, D24 is yes. Okay? So, ganito kasi natin binabasa siya. Again, just so that it's very clear. If it's not a yes, then it should be eligible for bonus. Okay? So, baliktad siya, di ba? Kung if not a yes, eligible for bonus. Ito yung not yes kasi. Di ba? So, eligible for bonus yung lumalabas. Let's try different approach. If it's not, apple naman ang ilagay natin. Yan. If it's not apple, so baliktad kasi, no? Eligible versus not eligible. Ayan. So basically, kung ano yung ilalagay niya dito, opposite na lalabas siyan. Just like this. Okay? So, ulitin ko lang kaya hindi na natin sununod to is because mas makakalito pa siya. I wanted to specify exactly what the results are going to be if yung sakto yung ilalagay nyo dyan like apple. So, kung may apple, dun lang lalabas yung, yan, ito, not eligible. Okay? Yan. So,
Sir Bali, sorry.
mhm,
Bali yung not natin is for parang exemption siya. For example, kung ano yung nilagay natin doon
yes.
sa parang
Mm-mm.
formula natin, yun yung exempted doon sa
Oo.
ano natin. Tama, tama
Yes.
yung logic, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Kaya siya nakakalito.
Thank you.
Diba? So, ano lang siya, no? So, ganun, exacto yung sinabi ni Jen. So, parang nagiging exception siya. So, now you might be asking, or in a different perspective, you might be asking, pwede, or actually siguro, isabihin na natin, baka iniisip na rin to ni Jen, ni Jasmine. Pwede bang gumamit na lang ng if without using the not? And the answer there is yes. You can opt to not use this entire section here. Pwedeng diretsuhin nyo na lang siya. Para pati, hindi kayo masyado malito. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Sige. So, with that, that is your if, or, and the not.
All I need are some better days. Yeah. All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.